Are you buying or designing membrane switches? At Pacific West America, we offer a full range of manufacturing services with excellent value and have been in business for 23 years. Precision membrane switches and flex circuits are definitely in our range of expertise. Our machines produce rich colors, textures, and tactile properties that conform to your specifications and have excellent backlighting. The types of backlighting offered are fiber optic bundles, light-guided fiber optics, electroluminescent, LEDs, side-firing LEDs, dual LEDs, and embedded LEDs. These switches and panels can come with transparent windows that are clear or color-tinted and have a gloss or matte finish. Precision-printed graphics and overlays with selective texturing and screen printing are matched to Pantone charts to ensure colors are correct. Types of switch features include embossed buttons, snap domes, and layers of polyester film PET laminated to spacers. And conductive silver inks are printed onto circuit layers. We have a multitude of 3M and equivalent adhesives and membrane materials available. Connectors include ZIF, Nicomatic, FCI, and more. We go beyond most manufacturers with a full range of services, including rigid printed circuit boards, plastic injection molded knobs, bezels, and housings. We can laser mark nomenclature and logos onto the product, as well as ink fill the grooves. Call us at 866-317-0208, extension 101, or email us at sales1@pacificwestamerica.com and act now. We are friendly and enjoy speaking with our customers. Please feel welcome to call and ask questions about our services at Pacific West America today.